Anyone who knows us knows we are absolutely obsessed with Bedsure, and they sent us this pet bed for our review, and I'm really excited because I know it is going to be fantastic. This is the extra large. It does come in different sizes, and it is orthopedic. So I'm just going to open this up. This is right out of the box. Let's see. So this, of course, is the outer shell. Which I love. I mean, first of all, look how big this is. Holy smokes. I love that you can take them apart, of course, so that you can wash this when needed. And then this right here, let's open this up. This, of course, is the inside material. This is what, like the mattress makes it orthopedic. Of course, woo! It's like those mattresses. Check that. So cool. Look at it just like rising. Oh, so awesome. Okay, so I'm going to give it a minute to fully rise, and I'm going to put it inside the bed, and we'll be right back. Okay, honestly, it took us like 10 seconds to put it together, and I put it on the floor, and look at him. He came running to it. He's in love. What do you think, Wally? Is it soft? It is so soft and comfortable. This material, it is really nice and thick, almost feels waterproof. And then this over here, this is where your zipper is. I do love that it is hidden because Mr. Man here likes to chew on some zippers, so that is nice and protected. Honestly, like, look, it's his new home. He loves it. So nice.